Hello, everybody. My name is Emily Barber. I am one of the mentors for Circle 11 this year, and this is actually my second year doing GradTrack, so I'm super excited to be back and to be helping another cohort of awesome GradTrack mentees. My quick tip that I have to share with you guys today is actually the number one thing I tell anybody that is considering getting into grad school, and that is find a good mentor. It can be really tempting when you go to these different recruitment weekends or look at different types of videos set up by these schools to really follow a school, either for its location or its prestige. But I'm here to try and inspire you to find a good fit from your advisor first and foremost. These other things can be important, but the truth of it is you're going to have day-to-day interactions with this person, with this mentor of yours. And not only that, but a good relationship can foster great research and make sure that you're following your passion within your field instead of something that maybe you don't like quite as much. So I would make sure that you find someone in your field. You talk to not only them to try and figure out if you two are a good fit, but also talk to some of their graduate students to see what they have to say. Grad students rarely have a reason to lie to you. If they're not completely happy with their advisor, they're probably going to tell you that and why. And maybe it can still be a good fit for you, but it's important to get that information as much as you can before accepting a position at a university, because that is going to be the biggest relationship that you have throughout grad school.